Hello guys, Guy here again and welcome to Blockchain Today. And today we have something really special for you guys. So the current trend in the crypto industry is launching new exchanges, and because people are getting more and more interested in cryptocurrencies, and there are lack of quality exchanges, but unfortunately all the new exchanges are concentrating on the same old features that are very common, and almost 99% of the new exchanges are basically same with a slightly different design. So we have found an exchange that is totally different. So Bityard is focusing on contract transaction and margin trading. So what is it, how you can make money from it, I will explain you right now. So get into the action and learn in detail about Bityard. Bityard Exchange was born in Singapore, a place where a lot of quality cryptocurrency projects were born. The core principles of Bityard are safety, best user experience, and transaction speed. Moreover, Bityard is not just another exchange but a serious project that have been licensed in 4 countries like Singapore, Estonia, Australia, and United States. Due to the fact that we are monitoring blockchain world, we have some experience with exchanges. The fact that Bityard has got license in USA speaks for itself. Such such a giant like Binance or OX are forced to create another exchange to let traders from USA to take part. In other words, it is extremely difficult to get license from USA government, especially when your business has something to do with cryptocurrencies and it is a sign of quality. As it is stated, you can download their app from Google Play Store and Apple Store and start trading with Bityard Exchange. But for today we will stop on the desktop version and let's get started. Open an account and go through all the features that Bityard can offer. Now we will guide you how you can create an account on Bityard Exchange and some features of it, explain some features of it. So to open an account, just click on get started. When the page has loaded, in the right corner you would need to fill your information. Okay, so you can register your email or your phone number. Okay, we would do it with email. Okay, when you type in your email, click on send captcha field, pass the captcha and the system will send you an email. It usually take 10 seconds, but if you are missing your email, just check your spam folder. Once you got the code filled in with captcha field and create an password and click on register. Now we are on the trading page, but we will guide you through the other features first and leave the most exciting one for the end. Okay, we will start with promotion because Bityard is offering a lot of bonuses for new users, and almost forgot to mention their brand ambassador. The gentleman that is looking at you is Buakha Benchamek, is the most famous fighter from Thailand. Okay, Buakha is a kickboxing champion that had 275 fights and won 239. A pretty impressive stats, we should say. Anyway, let's get back to Bityard Exchange and their promotions. We have 3 beginner reward here and we can get our 1 USD right now. After opening an account, you can just click on get now like that and your account will be credited with $1. The next step is to get another USD is to bind your mobile phone just by clicking it, set it now. Okay, the last beginner reward is to make a demo trade for 2 USD, but we will combine it with trading explanation and postpone it for a second. Okay, Bityard is providing good bonuses for their traders, and if you would like to use Bityard, just remember that you will get reward depending on the amount of your trading volume. The last but not the least is the video promotion context. We will mention this in the conclusion and will tell you all the details. Okay, the second amazing feature that Bityard is providing for their customer is daily mining. This is the place where you can collect or literally mine cryptocurrencies in your own hand. Just click on logos of each cryptocurrencies and you will be able to add to your wallet. If you scroll down a little bit, You will see the cryptocurrencies that you have collected and coin balance as well. With a mouth click on transfer, your coin will land on your wallet. The best thing about it is that you can repeat this action every day and collect cryptocurrencies for free just by logging in and mine them with your hands. I totally love it and think that it is very creative. So now we can go to my asset and look how we can deposit and withdraw funds. As you can see, we should have these USDT for registering our account and binding the mobile number as well, some BYT token as a welcome bonus. BYD is a native token of Bityard exchange. As well as always, if you want to deposit some cryptocurrencies of your choice, just click on receive and the deposit address will show up. You probably have already mentioned the button convert. Okay, if it will allow you to convert your crypto or any cryptocurrency to you have into USDT. Now we will talk about the referral system of Bityard exchange. So if you click on affiliate, you will be redirected to their page. So just share your referral link and the more people will sign up, the more reward you will get. If you look at the commission record at the bottom of the page, you will see different ranks. So you can earn from 5 till 60% fees if you invite more than 100 people. So now we will dive into the most exciting features of Bityard exchange, its trading. So as you can see, the interface is pretty different from regular exchanges. This is because Bityard is offering contracts margin trading with 10 most popular cryptocurrencies. Margin is the money borrowed from a broker to purchase an investment, and it is difference between the total value of investment and the loan amount. Okay, to keep it simple, margin trading is a possibility to trade more assets than you actually have to increase your profit while doing a successful trade, and the leverage is the ability to use a certain amount of money that you are borrowing. So let's make an example and look at the right side of page where you can submit an order. To start with, you can choose market or limit order on the top. Okay, let's start with the market. It means that you will buy or sell BTC at the current marketplace. Next field is leverage. You can choose 20 times or 100 times. So let's say if you have 10 USD but you want to make more money on your trade, then select 100 times leverage and you will have 100 USD as your trading budget. In other words, you are borrowing 100 times the amount of your money for trading, and if the BTC prices will increase by 20%, you will get 200 profit. For this amount you will pay fees to borrower, and the rest of the profit is totally yours. Initial margin is the amount of your personal capital that you want to trade. LS is the stop loss function that will terminate your order when you will start losing money. Okay, so TP is the take profit function to stop your order and fix profit when you did a successful trade. It all sounds very complicated, but you can try this on your own a lot of times without even depositing funds. Bityard provides a demo trading tool where you can practice your skill. Okay, so we will make some trades to get a better understanding of how things work. If you click on live in the left bottom corner, it would change into demo trading. Okay, your demo account will be funded with 100,000 USD for practicing. Now we can perform a demo trade to demonstrate all the features. Let's say we have 1000 USD. Okay, and we are sure that BTC price will increase in the nearest future. Then we will need to start order by clicking on buy. Then we decide that $1000 is too low. Okay, so we want to trade with 60,000 USD. So we need to borrow some funds to maximize the profit. So we will put 1000 USD in initial margin field and 60 times leverage. So now we need to decide when we put our stop loss or take profit order. So to do so, we should click on settings in the right top corner. Take profit ratio is the amount of money we want to fix when BTC increases. So we are sure that bulls market is here and we want the maximum profit of 500%. And stop loss ratio is the amount of money we want to risk and we lose if we sometimes something when goes wrong and BTC suddenly drop in price. So we strongly believe that BTC will raise, so we will select 90%. For beginner, just leave an open order confirm selected. But if you want to know about more advanced features like overnight, and just let us know in the comment section down below. We will explain everything you in detail. So after everything is done, we just click on confirm. So right now our order is almost ready. It is a buy order for 1000 USD with 60 leverage. So if the price of BTC will hit stop loss price, as you can see that is marked with red, we will lose 900 USD or 90% of our fund. If the price will hit take profit, as you can see here it is marked with green, so we will fix 5000 USD profit or 500% of our funds. So after everything is filled, we will see the amount of initial margin, fees, price and the total cost of our order. Okay, then we click on buy and confirm, and here we are. In the position field you will see an open order for our position. So if you click on setting field marked with yellow, you will have an opportunity to current stop loss and take profit ratio. So if you click on plus, you will able to add funds to your order. By clicking on close, Bityard will terminate your order at your current status. Okay, you can perform trades a lot of time until you spend all your budget, so there will be enough space for training and practicing in trading. We will talk about the promotion. We have promised you to tell about YouTube promotion that is going on at the moment at Bityard. So they will host a video competition each month and the current one is still live and will run till the 18th of May. So you will need to record a video and telling about the most amazing features of Bityard exchange and share the great rewards. So 28 winner will be rewarded in XRP and the detailed proportion is covered in the table. The more participants, the bigger the reward. So we wish best of luck to all of you who would like to participate in this contest. Conclusion is, all in all, Bityard is offering a lot of exciting features and a lot of interesting promotion like different bonuses or crypto mining. So margin trading is pretty risky and violent, but with demo account you can learn how to trade and practice the whole year until you decide to try it with your real funds. So that was it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed it and all the necessary information is in the description down below, and if you have any question you can leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you as soon as possible, and do not forget to leave a like rating for our efforts and subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, bye bye.